The Allianz Blue Eagle initiative helps you identify and fix some simple home maintenance issues in your house, creating a safer home for you and your family. Today, I'm popping by some Aussie homes to see how they're going. Tanya, always good to see you, but I really want to talk about home maintenance. Do you need some help?
Always. I need so much help. Can I come in?
I want to come in.
Yes.
Thank you.
I have 15 different types of biscuits.
You've really got to look out for hazards and things like that. Well, that's bad.
Okay, they're not my books. They're actually my husband's. He's really into vampire sort of stuff.
Not the books?
No, obviously.
The bookshelf is not fastened to the back wall and it could fall over and cause some serious injury.
Sorry.
It's crucial to make sure you're properly securing cabinets, TVs and bookshelves to avoid accidents. Allianz understands that unsecured furniture can pose risks, especially during unexpected events. Actually, the third one's my favourite.
Oh my God, same. Yes, a lot of nudity.
Ah, Allianz.